How to add an instanced part to a product. Instanced part actually live in a database of their own. The reason they are instant is because they can be reused and linked to multiple products. So you would have a main product, you could have a local part which is completely unique for that product and cannot be used anywhere else. But then you can have a stand in this case, which is used in multiple products, hundreds of products. Then you would build it as an instant part. So you put the part in its own part database, and then in the product setting, you actually only link and add the new instant part. As an instant part can live its own life in the database and relate into an assembly of another product.